Welcome to this easy tech fixing news channel, and basically we have some news about malware. A new report coming out stating that malware and ransomware are still on the rise. It's something that isn't getting better; it's getting worse, and it's interesting because when we look at the report, there are many ways you can get, malware, ransomware, viruses, but the dominant way is still the same, which is email. So, one of the tricks, of course, the report says is to make sure, first of all, that your system is up to date. So, make sure Windows, Mac OS, whatever version you're using, Linux, is up to date. It's interesting because you got to stop thinking that you're safer on Linux or Mac OS than on Windows, which is absolutely untrue. This is a belief that's very, very a lot of people actually think that, and it's not the case. It's really the sheer number of attacks that actually make Windows more attractive. But it's not, it's as safe as any other operating system, if not safer. The updates keep you safe for the most part. Most of the viruses and malware out there actually exploit bad, security flaws in the operating system. So if you keep yourself updated, you're already a bit, 90% of viruses already cannot infect you. The other side of things, they've noted that a lot of people don't update necessarily their browser. I talk about it all the time. Windows, Mac, and so on need to be updated. But you also need to update the browser to make sure that these are at the latest versions. There's a lot of security flaws. We talked about one last week on Google Chrome that was already exploited by hackers. So if you keep your browser updated, you keep your operating system update. The last thing is to be careful what you do. And this is one of the major ways to stay safe after all is updated. And you're the security. Notice I didn't talk about antivirus. No, because there's nothing to talk about antivirus for security. You're the security after everything's updated. The biggest way that viruses actually get into your PC is still through email. People click on attachments that they don't know where they come from. It's the main way. It's up there in the 80+% of ways people get infected. So beware of email attachments or any links that could be in emails from where people you don't know. The other thing that you need to understand is that your best friends, your family, are your worst enemy in computer security. You might think they are good, but they might be bitten by malware that actually sends out emails to try to lure you into clicking something. So be very careful. Some of the ways that they try to attract you, they will say, oh, you got a delivery and here's an invoice for the delivery that you're expecting. All sorts of, scams like that happen. And when you click that invoice, when you click that attachment, you get bitten by malware. So be careful. Do not click or open anything on email that you don't know where it comes from. And even if it's from somebody you know, beware of what it is. It's your best security. When we remove email attachments and email scams of all sorts, actually the number of malware and of viruses that attack PCs is very low. And it's mostly done in people that either didn't update their systems or do things that are actually dangerous. Downloading illegal movies, downloading illegal music, downloading illegal software. Those are, after email, the ways people get viruses if their system is updated. And a lot of people that get the viruses are not updated or don't want to update their system. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.